Hey guys, this is Evan from Origami for Cause. Today we are going to make the traditional model, the origami crane. I am using a 15 by 15 centimeter sheet of paper. Anyways, let's begin. So the first step we are going to perform is a diagonal fold from this point over here to this top point. Here we are going to make the crease. Next, we are going to unfold and turn the model like this. Now we are going to perform our second diagonal fold from this point to this point up there. Make the crease. Then we are going to unfold and we should see an X. Now our next step is going to be a fold like this. Then we're going to unfold, turn the model like this. Perform the same fold as we did in the last step. So looking like this. Now, as we unfold, we should see a plus and an X. Our next step is to use these two rotated squares and push them like this. Once you do that, just push down on that like this and make the crease. This is the base of the crane. The next step is to take this corner and fold it to the middle. Then we're going to take this corner and fold it to the middle. Now we're going to turn it over and perform the exact same models as we did on the other side, using these two corners and folding them to the middle. Now your model should look like this. Now we are going to take this top triangle and fold it down like this. Make the crease. Then we will unfold this, unfold these two flaps, and perform the petal fold. In order to do the petal fold, you must take one layer, open it up, using this crease here as your guideline. Opening up like this and pulling, so you see this happening. Then from here, we'll just simply push down and create something that looks like this. Now, we're going to turn the model over, perform the petal fold on this side. So, fold this top triangle down, make the crease, unfold these two flaps, take up one layer of paper, use this crease as your guideline, push back, forming this type of fold. Now your model should look like this. The next step is to take this right flap over here, fold it to the left. Then turn the model over, and again, take this right flap and fold it over to the left. Now, what we are going to do is take this corner and fold it to the middle, like this, and make the crease. We are also going to do the same thing with this corner. So we're going to take the corner, fold it to the middle. Then we're going to flip it over and do this exact same things with both of these corners. So take this corner, fold it to the middle, take the other corner, fold it to the middle. Now your model should look like this. The next step is to take this bottom part and fold it up as much as it can go and make the crease. Then we're going to turn it over and do the exact same thing with this part. So we're going to fold it as much as it can go and make the crease. Now you should see a bottom part of this. Your model should look like this. Next, we are going to perform this fold. So like this. Take these two parts, fold them like this. So now we're going to take this flap over here and push it out and make a crease. This is going to be used to make the head of the crane. We are going to do the same thing, however, for the back part, which will be used as our tail. So we're going to push it out and make the crease. Now we are going to shape the head. In order to do so, we will take this part, open it up a little, push down until you see this, turn it like this. So that's your head. Now we're going to take this wing over here, fold it down as much as it can go. Then we're going to turn the model over, do the same thing with this wing. Now, this is your origami crane model. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. See you next time!